Today we are gonna finish the paint of our house, and actually this is quite an interesting chapter because priming and painting make the difference in the final results. Priming is a crucial step before painting because you can immediately give a particular accent to your piece. We are gonna choose the black paint, like for the dungeon in this case. After we finish with the Mod Podge and with acrylic paint, it can also be noticed that with the hand priming you can miss some spot. At the end of the abundant priming with this protective layer, you can also finish your piece with some normal spray paint. Your foam is not gonna melt. Let's crack on. Usually I start with water and I just use an abundant quantity. The piece is not very big, so we don't need a lot of stuff. Black paint. A lot of that. And PVA glue or Mod Podge, not so much. Usually when you use glue or Mod Podge with your brushes, it's better to use an old brush. We mix. You see, it's more like a wash. Since it's very liquid, it will enter in every cracks, in every, holes and stuff. So we are sure to cover all the piece. Yeah, I think this is it. Now guys, I want to clean the table. Okay. This paint is sticky. For this reason we need to let them dry, detach from the surface of the table. For this reason we can use pins like legs on the piece. So the piece is detached from the ground. With the magic of the technique, for you will be just a second, for me will be at least 24 hours from now. I will wait 24, 48 hours and then I will paint this beauty. See you in a bit. Yes, here we are. Some paints, gloves. Welcome back. As you can see from the setting, I have changed something. I realized that this stuff was in front of my face too late, so half video was totally wasted. Now, after 24 hours, primer is dried, so we can remove the pins. This is very, very sticky. As you can notice, we have some spots that are still a little bit clear, but it's not so bad. We did a great job, actually. And the sensation is how this is much harder. My technique in this case is a semi-wet technique for for mixing the color, but mostly it's a dry technique. So dry brushes, a go. we want to make the brown lighter, we are not using white, we are using yellow. The brown is my favorite because if you look at the piece right now, basically it seems already beautiful. Look at that. Let's have a closer look. It seems tabletop ready, you see? Nice. I have a soft point for the blue roof, guys. Fantasy blue roof are the best for me. I like them very much. A little bit more. Yeah, what about that? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. On the next episode, we will finish the piece with a lot of details. Hope I see you all on the next episode. Till next time, happy crafting!